What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is Most 350. So this content is gonna be on English. So it's been a while since I did the last time my content in English. So here we are. We're here in the shop. So in this video is gonna be so I follow up what I did in the previous video. So I did in the previous video some of these goodies right here. I did the engine cover, carbon fiber right here, you can see. Plus I did the eyelids, same thing with the caps. I got my boy here, Jeffrey, taking care of my car, make it look nice and easy. Oh, just to let you guys know, follow me on Instagram right here. Don't forget about it, very important. I need you guys support on that. So anywho, let's talk about now what are we gonna do today. So today we're gonna do an unboxing. That right there, we're gonna do this right here. We're gonna delete this whole grill. So we're gonna do like the batch delete or batchless, whatever you want to call it, grill. So they're very popular, coming from the manufacturer, JS Racing. So this is basically a JS Racing style, and I'm gonna be deleting my badges on the front. Not all of them, I'm gonna keep the SI logo. That's pretty much what we're gonna do today. I hope you like the video. Just keep it in mind. Press the like button, share, subscribe. It's very important. Leave any comment down below here, whatever you feel like, whatever you wanna, add to my content. Remember, I'm Most 350. Hazme caso, yo sé lo que te digo. So this is a quick update of what we do here. So we basically do pretty much everything. I got the guy here that he does the vinyl wrap, Louis. Say hi to the camera.
What up, people?
I got the other guy here, Javi, and the big boss.
Street rides, #1.
That's it. So basically this is what we do. Vinyl wraps, any type of detailing. That's the guy that you gotta reach. And like I said in all my videos, you have any question, I'm gonna leave all the links of social media of all the people responsible of everything here that you see. Yeah, just stay tuned. Let's get started with the grill installation.
Listen, if you have any question, call us. Extreme Rides, 475 John Downey Drive in New Brand. You can reach us 475 John Downey Drive, New Brand, 860-505-8620, or contact Most 350. He can give you all the details.
That's it. Boom. bumper is off. Now let's swap this grill right here. So this is basically what we're gonna remove. We're gonna remove one bolt here, a Phillip, another Phillip here, another one here, clips right here, here, and a Phillip here, and here. No, not this one, just this right here. It should be straight. So swap the new one. All right, wish me luck. All right, quick update. I already removed some of the bolts, which is Phillips screws. That's the quick update. I just removed some of the Phillips screws. I'm gonna do now the clips, and then this right here, and it should be straight. Should be direct bolt in and an easy fix. Oh, just to let you guys know, whenever you install the type of grill that I'm gonna do, JS Racing style, whatever, you gotta trim this down. Cut it with a razor blade. That's what I'm gonna use. A razor blade, because you gotta chop this. You don't want this to be visible, because what's the whole point of having a batch on delete kit if you're gonna keep this? You know what I mean? You're gonna see through the grill this right here, and that's a big no-no. All right, stay tuned. All right, all one off. So now we're gonna do the unboxing for the new one. We'll see. I'm still here working with this. Yeah. Whew. Let's keep going. Right now it's pretty hot, so I'm sweating bullets. All right, stay tuned. All right, ready for the unboxing? Let's take a look at this bad boy. It's hard for me to do this with 2 hands, so. Jeez! Miren, look at this shit, boy. I'm telling you guys, believe in the process, I'm me caso, I know what I'm telling you. Trust me, I know what I'm telling you. Good stuff coming this year, I'm telling you guys. Look at that. This shit's badass. Look at my boy here with his high fire, I'm saying. All right, ladies and gentlemen, quick update. This is how it sits. I didn't have any problems at all to install it. It was a pretty easy install. So I was able to swap the eyelets, carbon. So, right now, this right here, you gotta trim it. I'm telling you right now, you gotta trim it. Like this part right here belongs to there. That's the part that you put badge, the emblem, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, you see, I was able to swap everything. So far, it's looking good, man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so hyped, I'm so happy about it. It was a very easy fit and install. And at the very end, I'm gonna leave some cinematic videos for you guys, like as always. And I hope you guys like this content, man. I'm very proud of you guys support. Thank you guys, thank you a lot. I don't know how to stop to thank you guys for all the support. Keep supporting your boy here, Most 350, and just stay tuned for more videos. This is one of a lot of videos I'm gonna start making on English, because I know you guys have been asking me for this type of videos, so stay tuned. All right, hazme caso. Yo sé lo que te digo. Stay tuned. Later.